So as you know, sneakerheads, this weekend, tomorrow will be Memorial Day holiday. So if you don't know, it's a time to honor those soldiers who have died while serving the nation. So we
Yes,
are a
sir.
military family. So we just want to send out a big salute to all those who have died and fallen in the past. Hey, what's happening, sneakerheads? How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
So before this video gets started, you already know, go on and smash that thumbs up. You know what we're trying to do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So in this video, we got that what? That
Weekly
weekly
heat.
heat, baby.
The
That
weekly heat.
weekly. I'm gonna go ahead and start us off. So the first shoe coming out this week. These are the shoes that are dropping from May 26th to 1 June. Started off on the 29th of May. We do have those Jordan 1 High OG, aka Lattes. Now, this shoe is for the women's only, but will be coming out in grade school sizes as well as toddlers and infants. But it will not be going to extended sizes. Those big feet people out there won't be able to wear these, like my brother.
12, 12.
So this is a clean shoe overall for the summer. It's a plays off that mocha colorway that came out in 2020. However, as we know, Jordan 1s are not doing good right now. This does retail at a price of $180 for women's. And already, this is already going under retail prices for on StockX. My size 11.5 and women's are already going for $123. So I would not recommend to buy these at full price because these will go on sale because the market is already low on these Jordan 1s. This overall is a clean shoe. It does have that colorway blocking that we all love. But hey, if you're a Jordan 1 lover out there and you still love Jordan 1s, you like to rock them, hey, this is the time for you because you should be able to get every Jordan 1 that you want very easily. But overall, the shoe is white. As we see, we do have that latte hit on the heel and that wing tab. Wing tab is black, as well as the side panel is white. It looks like some nice tumble leather. Moving around to the toe box, we do see that white on the toe box wrapped around in that black that goes all the way around the toe box. Looking on the sides, we do see that midsole. Looks like a tan or we could say sail midsole. I do think that's a nice touch for these shoes because it keeps it in that kind of like mocha family, in this case, latte. Move around the bottom, we do see that light brown bottom sole that we're accustomed to seeing too. No real pops at the bottom of the shoe. Look at that Nike Air branding. It is black. I do think that was a clean touch. I was glad that they did something simple. Most of the time, like with a shoe like this, somehow Nike will mess it up by putting yellow on that Nike Air and just throwing the color off. Like, why put an extra color when the colors of this shoe is sail, black and white? Then they'll just throw in a third color for no reason. So I'm glad they didn't do that on these. And I do think it's a nice touch. It makes the shoe very clean with the black laces in there. Comment down below, do you like the black laces in there or you would like to throw some white in there? But overall, this is just a clean shoe, my humble opinion. Even though these are going on the retail, I am rocking these. How about you, my brother?
I'm a fan. I'm a one fan out the gate. And then I'm all about how can that shoe flow with an outfit? And I see this shoe, doing very well for its flowing with the outfit, especially with it going under, retail price. So I am rocking those. Hey, drop us a comment down below if you rocking those or drop.
Yes, sir. So moving on, what we got next, my brother?
So on May the 30th, we have the Air Jordan 17 Low Lightning. This shoe was worn by MJ, his last All-Star game back in 2002 when he was with the Wizards. This is a men's shoe, of course. Price point for those is $300. The reason why it's priced at $300 is they're giving you this briefcase. Right? Hey, Jordan Brand, hey, I applaud. I see what you guys doing. Y'all tapping in. They reselling shoes, 300. We just gonna come out the gate with 300. So nice work
Yes,
there. Yeah, so I'm liking that. But this shoe here, I love the whole layout of this shoe. This is not a shoe to wear with gear. This is a shoe if you want to hoop. This is your shoe. This ain't no gear shoe. Look at the chrome around the heel. I see what Jordan Brand is doing with that, and I'm loving that. I also like heel stabilizer for support. So this is not no everyday shoe. This is just a shoe for hooping. I also like what they did with the sleeves, something different, for more support. But in saying all that, hey, I will be rocking those. Hey, that price point is pretty high. but I will be rocking those. What about you, my brother?
So we'll be dropping these. Unfortunately, I don't like that yellow. I no offense to the Steeler fans out there, that black and yellow.
Yes, sir.
I don't see myself rocking these, but there is another colorway that I'm looking for. Just don't know if I want to pay the $300 price point. But they are supposed to have a UNC colorway or baby blue,
Powder blue.
Carolina blue that's coming out
Hmm.
in the future. So this is just the first one. So I am looking forward more to that pair. Can't say I ever rocked any 17s, so I'm a fan of the 14s, the 16s, and 18s, but I haven't tried on the 17s, so I'm not going to say that it's going to be for sure cop for me. So I'm kind of like on the fence right now, but if I can get these lower than $300, I'll probably pick up the UNC ones in the future. So let us know down in the comments, Sneakheads, are you rocking these or dropping these? So moving on, we do have another shoe that's listed up here. It's called the Jordan 1 Mule. However, as the recording of the video, 24 May, these are already released on Nike.com. The Mule shoe is just a golf shoe, a slip-on golf shoe. And this one has that print that was taken from Michael Jordan's shirt that he wore in Barcelona when he played in the Olympics that year. So let us know in the comments, Sneakheads, are you rocking these or dropping these? But moving on to the last shoe of the week, on June 1st, we do have that Jordan 1 Low Retro OG. This is a men's pair of shoe for a price point of $140. This will also be coming out in gray school for a price of $120, and toddlers and infants will be $65. I swear I've seen this shoe before, and they're calling this AKA the metallic silver. It's an overall silver and gray low pair of shoes. Does feature, OG branding on the back. So I do not like the back panel because you can't really see the OG tab on the back. I don't know. They should have chose a different color. It does have that white midsole, which to me it makes shoe look cheap, but that's just my opinion. Moving around the toe box, we do see that chrome. I guess that's the main hit of the shoe. Chrome toe box, and that's wrapped around with that gray. Along the side, we do see that gray, kind of like a swoosh on the side. Kind of looks gray at sometimes, the swoosh on the side, as well as it's supposed to be metallic. Overall, to me, it's just not a nice shoe. I don't like this shoe. Looks plain, looks boring, and the sock liner is white, so that's going to get very dirty when you put those on. Looking around at the Nike Air branding on the tongue, again, it's kind of like, I don't know if these are bad fit pictures or it's so light that it's blending in with the material, but you really can't see the branding on there. You can't see it. Then it does come with these gray laces. In this, my opinion, they should have went with white laces to make the shoe pop a little bit more. Or when you're designing shoes, in my opinion, again, Nike, if you need me to help design shoes, I can't do that. But
Hey, drop us a comment down below.
yes, sir. But when you have white at the bottom, there should be another color of white to bring that white up. And to me, it's just doesn't flow, doesn't look aesthetically pleasing to me. So I am dropping these. How about you, my brother? What do you think about these?
You know what? I'm a one fan out the gate. I'm liking this shoe.
Yes, sir.
I'm really liking this shoe, and the reason why I'm liking this shoe is because there's so much you can do with this shoe. First thing I'm gonna do is take out those gray laces and put white in there. Exactly what you said. You got too much gray going, Jordan Brand. You know what I'm saying? Like he mentioned, if you need us to help you with designing or choosing the shoelaces, hey, we can do that. We can do that for you. But I agree with you. I would change the shoelaces to white to balance the shoe out. I can see this shoe really looking quite different, just changing the laces.
Yes,
I
sir.
will be rocking those. I will be rocking those. Hey, drop us a comment down below if you rocking those or dropping those. If you love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
Like we said, for sure, when you're blessed,
Hey, bless others.
peace.
Peace.